Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm making Rasta Pasta with a hint of honey chicken. Just come vibe out and listen to music. Here you go. So we got us some chicken breasts here. You want to cut those open and just see what they have to offer. These were pretty affordable, but hey, you get what you get for. You get what you pay for. But yeah, stay tuned for what's next.
You'll never have to cry. No.
Alright, so here you want to make sure that you're like practically cleaning your chicken and just making sure it is clean. I normally use vinegar, but I don't think we had any, so I just used a lemon. Moving forward, you want to trim the excess fat off of the meat. And for the most part, this didn't really have that much fat, but you want to trim the excess fat off the meat, and you want to make sure that you're tenderizing your meat as well. So yeah.
What a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. Pressure. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. Major pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. So long I've been waiting to be with you all alone. I've been anticipating.
Alright, so now that the hard part is out the way, let's get to our veggies, my favorite part. Yeah, what would be a dish without vegetables? So we got some peppers, onions, tomatoes, some grape tomatoes. So you want to practically wash them. I washed them before I recorded that, so always make sure that you're washing your vegetables. So you're gonna cut your onion up, you're gonna cut your peppers up, and cut them as fine as possible. I don't want to cut them too fine because they do dissolve while you're cooking them, or what should I say, wilt away. So yeah, just stay tuned to see that. But make sure that they're chopped pretty finely, and you know what I'm saying.
Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. Major pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. There's something about her. I just can't do without her. Never had a woman of such virtue. Oh, I give you my love, girl. I got no intentions to hurt you. Hurt you. Yeah, you know. Only you. Only you. Only you can make me feel just like a king. Love you give to me so real, makes me give in. Girl, just like magnet, just steal your love, keeps pulling me in. If it's a battle I fight for you, I have to win, to prove to you my love, so deep within.
Alright folks, so here you go. It is now pasta time, as you can see. Today we're going to be using the Penne pasta. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it in Italian. But yeah, so get you a pasta pot, some water, fill it on up. Also, you want to get you some salt. I use sea salt to basically give some flavor into your water and your pasta so it doesn't stick together. And I also put some olive oil on in there, as you can see while it's coming up. You'll see that in a few. But yeah, so, you know, just get ready for pasta time.
I just wanted to know. I just wanted you to know, baby.
So we're gonna fast on forward to our chicken. These are the spices we're gonna be using: paprika, some white pepper, also some chili powder, some Sazon all-purpose seasoning. Also, here's the cheese. We're going to be using some mozzarelle cheese. And last but not least, we're going to be using this kind of whipping cream, the Silk dairy-free. I feel like it's healthier and it gives a better taste also. Now reach on over, get you some butter, put it right in that pan. So yeah, put the butter in the pan. You want to make sure that your pot is nice and warm so it just start melting in the pot. After that, you want to practically season your chicken. I do it in this order for the mere fact that it gives it some time for the pot to heat up. And after seasoning the chicken, I will pour those veggies in there so they can start to dissolve, especially the onions. So yeah, stay tuned.
Consciousness and my immortality. I'm the happiest man in the world because I have you for my girl, and I promise you, my baby, I'm gonna take you on tours around the world. Oh yeah, baby, she said, ooh, she never felt so right. I said yes, and baby, breathe on me tonight. She said, ooh, she never felt so right. I said yes, and baby, breathe on me tonight. Just the other day, said I ran into this beautiful lady. She asked me my name, and I told her it's Egyptian. Immediately, she said, boy, I gotta give you something from her body. And I said, baby, quickly. She said, don't want you to tell nobody that I give it to you so easy. I said, with me, baby, you don't need to worry. She said,
I said if we never.
Alright, the time has come. It is time to place that chicken in the skillet with that warm butter alongside the veggies. Get you a pair of tongs, and flip the chicken over and make sure it is cooked on evenly. It's cooked evenly on both sides. You don't want to cook it too much or to the point where it's like dry or burnt. You want to make sure it's still moist in the middle, because you know sometimes people like to say that chicken breast is dry, but I've never cooked dry chicken breast, probably because I tenderize it also. But yeah, so make sure you're thoroughly checking your meat and so forth. Man, it's just something about this song, man. But yeah, moving forward. So you want to pour your penne pasta into that boiling water and stir it around to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And you're going to bring your pot back up to a boil. Oh, how can I forget? Also, you want to put some seasoning in there that is ground garlic, so you can give it a little flavor. bring it back up to a boil. And after it is boiling, you're going to cover your pot and turn your fire down to between 4 and 5. So yeah, see you back. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and strain your noodles out and just get prepared to let it cool off a little bit. After straining them out, you're gonna move it back over to the stove and you're gonna flip that chicken over and make sure it is cooked on the other side thoroughly. As you can see, the chicken looks awesome. Like, I don't know how to explain it. If your chicken breast doesn't come out like this, you can't cook. I'm sorry, because how do you mess up like one of the easiest meats to cook? But anyways, after doing that, you're gonna take this chicken and you're gonna cut it into pieces and you're gonna glaze it with some honey. As you can see, I'm cutting it into some pretty nice chunks. Let me zoom in so you guys can see how good this chicken is. You see that? Do you see that? It's kind of hot, but yeah, you get the gist of it.
Turn the music up, that sexy body girl wanna go non-stop. Everybody in the club really wanna see when this girl made up. The way she moved, the way she grew. On one spot, the girl she's hot. Oh yeah, she turns me on. Oh yeah, up in the club, she don't give a damn. She got the man to take no command. Oh, 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 oh. Moving her body, shaking it up. Just one stop and she get a last drop. Oh, oh. Hey, 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 hey. Them can't shut you down, baby.
Woohoo! Yes, we have made it practically to the end. Yeah, you're gonna get you another pot. Pour some olive oil up in that bad boy. Take them veggies out the other pot. Pour it in there. Let them sizzle a little bit. Then you're going to place your chicken in there. Some seasoning, the same seasoning we've been using the whole entire video. Season that up a little bit because after you pour that whipping cream in there, you know, it kind of overpowers everything in a way. But hey, I wanted to make sure that they taste the flavor of everything. Moving forward, you're gonna pour your whipping cream in here. Also some spinach. I washed the spinach off. Make sure the spinach is cooked until it is what's that word? I don't want to say what's the word? Real nice and soft. And yeah, you're gonna pour your pasta in. After that is all said and done, it's time for plating. And thank you guys once again for watching this video. This was really easy to make, literally less than an hour. I'll have to say 45 minutes tops, at the most an hour, putting in the fact that I had to prep everything and everything like that. But all in all, it was a very good quick dish. The family loved it, and I hope I can come back and help you guys make your next dish. See ya.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just an enemy, hard for just a friend, just a friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not trust you all of them. All of them might sound fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time petro them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs. Dangerous call, even them send me say the whole of them a miss. Go for the psalms, them a send for the chalice. Them does a watch me like a radio analyst. But me unstoppable, remember me tell you this. In the music I'm like a fucking senator. Them are the fucking janitor. None of my link no regular. Mad sick, head no good like predator. What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just an enemy, hard for just a friend, just a friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not trust you all of them. All of them might sound fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time petro them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs. Thank God I'm blessed. So
I just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you not have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look y'all fi shine you. And you don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi.